Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're demystifying a tax form that can sometimes cause a little confusion. IRS Schedule 1A. If you've ever wondered what it is and why it matters, especially for your business, stick around because we're breaking it all down in simple terms. So, what exactly is Tax Schedule 1A? Think of it as the IRS's extra details page. When your tax situation includes certain types of income or deductions that do unfit neatly on your main tax return, this is where they go. It's an overflow form designed to capture those specific items that need to be listed separately. The goal is to help the IRS get a complete picture and accurately calculate your true taxable income. Now, you might be asking, what kind of information actually goes on Schedule 1A? It's typically used for a few key things. This includes additional income items that aren't listed on the main form, certain adjustments related to your business, special deductions or credits that require separate reporting, and even corrections or supplemental entries. Okay? It's the catch-all form for tax details that just don't have a home anywhere else on your standard return. For business owners, this form is particularly important. Whether you run a small business, do gig work, or have a multi-service operation, Schedule 1A might come into play more often than you think. You might need it if you have adjustments tied to specific business expenses, if you qualify for certain deductions that don't belong on Schedule C, or if you need to report extra income that the IRS requires to be listed separately. It's also a great tool for clarifying your income categories to avoid any confusion. Ignoring Schedule 1A when it's required can cause some real headaches. It could delay your refund, trigger an unwelcome notice from the IRS, or even cause your entire return to be considered incomplete. Nobody wants that. Paying attention to this form is crucial for a smooth tax season. How does it ultimately affect your taxes? Well, the numbers you report on Schedule 1A flow directly into your main tax return, your Form 1040. The impact can be significant. It can help lower your overall taxable income, which might increase your refund or lower what you owe. It also provides much-needed clarity on your financial situation. It helps prevent potential issues with the IRS down the line. Even though it seems like a small, supplementary form, it plays a huge role in ensuring your tax return is accurate and complete. Filing taxes, especially with extra forms like Schedule 1A, can feel overwhelming. If you're feeling unsure or just want to make sure you're getting everything right, it's always a good idea to seek professional help. At MANNOE Income Tax and Multi-Services, we specialize in helping individuals and businesses file correctly. We work to maximize your deductions and keep you fully compliant with the IRS. Don't let tax forms stress you out. Give us a call at 305-469-1209 to see how we can help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more tax tips.